Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a fun game for you. It's called Batters Up. The only objects you're going to need is a bucket, a couple of ping pong balls if you have it available. If not, you can use soccer balls, and either a book, a whiteboard, or I'm going to use a clipboard. Any of those objects will work for this activity. So stay tuned and I'll show you the activity in just a moment. Alright, so for this game, you're only going to need a few household items. If you have a book or a clipboard, a ping pong ball, it could be a soccer ball, and your target could be a basket or it could be a bucket just like I have. Your job is to knock the ball or the object inside of your target, and you're going to have 1 minute to do as many shots as you can and make it. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and start the 1 minute challenge in just a moment. I'm going to do 5 feet away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 feet away, turn around again. Your job is to get the balls or the soccer balls or any object inside the bucket as many times as you can in 1 minute. We'll go ahead and start it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Too hard. So far, I got 1. Back. 2, just missed. 3, 4. Time's up. I was able to get 4 of the balls inside of the bucket. Hope you guys enjoyed this game, Batters Up. Look forward to seeing you guys' comments. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, take care.